Hello everyone. So this video is about the Android version of the AutoBuyer. Since most of you were asking for the Android version, it is now available. And the reason why it is not available for iOS is that to develop an iOS app, we need to get the developer license from Apple, which cost $99. So that's the reason I'm not working on it right now. But for Android, it is available. Okay. So I will show you how to install the app and configure the auto buyer and then use it in this video. Okay. So the link for the app I will give it in the description so you can directly click and download. So in my case I will search it from the Google Store and install it. Okay. So this is the tab FUT Market Alert. CK all goes. Okay. So you can install it. So once it's installed, you can open it. And then you need to create a user for you. Okay, since I already have a user, I will directly log in. I will sign in. Okay, so like the other feature is for each of these users, right, you can set an alert so that when the price goes below the alert price which you give, you will get a notification. Okay, so now I will click on the auto buyer, login. So I will pause the video here and log in with my credentials. So here you will have two tabs, okay? AB settings and AB runner. AB setting is where you need to create filter for the auto buyer. So for example, if I need to buy gold common, okay? So what I can do is I can select gold common. If you wanted, you can give a player name as well, okay? And then even in auto buyer, I will give buy price as 400, okay? So it will search for gold common 400 and try to buy it for 400, okay? And then in sell settings, I'll give sell price as 500. So I'm going to shortly make one more video on about all the settings, okay, so that both web users as well as Android user can understand about each of the settings. So that will be coming up shortly. This video is just to showcase on Android app, so I'm just filling up the main fields, okay? And then in search, I will use a random bit so that I won't get cached the result. So now I will go and save my filter and give as gold 400. So as soon as you save this filter, if you go to AB runner, you should be able to see that filter. So I will select that filter. So if you have multiple filters, for example, if I give the same filter with the name as gold 500, so now I have multiple filters. So if you want to run both the filters at the same time, you can select both. Okay. So for demo purpose, I will select only one, and then I will click on start. So the first time you run the app, you might encounter this issue. So this is normal. What you need to do is you should close the app and run it again. Okay. So we'll close it and then open it again because the initial version of this auto buyer has some issue. That's the reason it is failing. As and when you open the app once, it will automatically get updated. So that the next time when you open, it will run the updated version. So you won't see that issue. Okay. So I'll go to auto buyer. So since we already logged in the first time, right, it will use the cache and automatically log you in the second time. So you now need to manually enter the credentials again. So since I already saved the filter, right, here you should see both the filters. If you want, you can go and create one more. I will reuse the existing filter, okay, and I will give gold 400 and then click on start. Okay, so if you see, it tried to buy this item for 400 and it's selling for 500 because I gave buy price as 400 and sell price as 500. Okay, so again it's buying for 400 and 500, and if you see all the other things has exceeded a number of buys, right? That's because like in my, I will select my filter. So if you go to safety settings, so here I say max purchases per search request to one, right? So it will only buy one card. If I give two, it will try to buy two cards, okay? But mostly if you try to give two and search for a very rare item, by the time the bot bids on the second item, it would have been already gone. So one makes more sense here. So if you take a look at the log, it bought this player, okay, and then listed it for 500. So now if I go to transfer list, go to active transfer, if you see this player is being listed for 500 and it has minutes as 59. Okay, so that means it has just now listed. Okay, and yeah, so that's it for this video. So like if you wanted to try, I have given the link for the app in the description, so you can try it. And if you face any issue, you can either create an issue in my GitHub repository, or else you can directly ping me in Discord. I will try to fix whatever issue you face. So this version seems to be mostly stable, but still there can be issue here and there. So if you encounter anything, you let me know. And the thing about this is it has over the air updates, so you don't need to manually go to Google Store and update each time. As soon as you launch the app, the update will be automatically applied. So yeah, so let's see in the other video where I explain all of these settings. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.